Oh, g'day everyone. Welcome back to Wayne's Diecast Cars. We're going to do something a little bit different in this video. Just give you a sort of a quick look at some of my collection that I have out. The rest is in boxes, as most collectors have them because they just run out of room. So these are mostly all just sort of 118s with 164s and 143s chucked in there as well. Just to fill some gaps, but we'll start off top shelf here with a 150 scale wheel dozer, and that was a 110 scale, I think it was, cat bike, and a 19 scale Suzuki, and a couple of 32s chucked in there, and 164 scale, as I do like my hot rods. I do have a lot more, but again, all packed away. So we'll start off with a, I think that was a 30 or 29, I think it was, 29 or 30, can't remember now. That one there is a fairly well detailed, it is. Slide that door open. See again if I can remember who made that. Doesn't say, but yeah, fairly well detailed. We have another Ford again. This is yeah, well detailed. In front there we've got a Cherry Bomb from Tom Daniels. It's a 143 scale. Do have a couple more of those. And I think that one's a green light 32. And a Hot Wheels. And another Hot Wheels. And then the Tijuana Taxi. It's a 143 scale again from Tom Daniels. And then we've got the 32 over here. I think that was Acme, I think it was. And then in front we've got a couple of my son's cars. He's got a little Land Rover there. That glass, see if it makes any difference. Yeah, a little Land Rover and a couple of his other cars that he keeps there. He knows that once they go in the cabinet, they stay there and get looked after. So another 32. And another one. And again, another 32. Then we have a couple of Renault 5 turbos, roughly 164 scale. We have another, alright, that's a 34. I think it was a 34, I think it was. I'm pretty sure that's a 34. Yeah, I think so. Anyway, I won't bore you with too many details on that, but that was Auto World. And out the back we've got a tractor, John Deere, and then a Fergie. 143 scale Mazda. 43 scale Mustang, and a GTR. Then we've got 32 Ute, or pickup truck. 34, 36, and a 37 Ford. Then at the back we've got a couple of Petties, 164 scale Richard Petties. We do have more, again, packed away. Over here we've got a 39 Ford. That was it Maisto, I think that was. I've done a review on that one on the channel. We've got a 40 Ford. It's a bit of a custom one, that. Mustang. I think that was a 64, I think it was. 64 and a half, whatever it was. And another one that was Shelby Collectibles. And again, that was I think it's a 65. I think that is. Correct me if I'm wrong. And down here we've got the Corvettes. That's 53. And then a 54. I'd love an early Corvette. That one's from that one's from Mirror. Then a 57. And that was a 61, I think it was. Then was a 65, I think. We've got another one. This one's from Exoto. Let's open that door again. Yes, that one there is fairly well detailed. Going for a bit of money at the moment, those things. And then we have another Corvette. I think it's a 67 or something. I should know. I did know. I do. I should. Because I like Corvettes. Where are we? No, it doesn't say. That was from Hot Wheels on Pro Street one. Then I think that was an 87 or 85, I think. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. And then we've got 57 Chevy. And another 57 Fire Chief. I might as well finish off down the bottom and then go up. Okay, so there's another 57 there. That was some Hot Wheels. That's a very heavy, that one. Very heavy. But yeah, it was pretty cool. Bit of a custom thing. Oh, God. Sort of forget how heavy it is sometimes. But it's fairly well detailed. And then we've got a 55. And then we've got a Impala. And a Nova. Yeah, we can see a bit better there. And then a Datsun. 118 scale, and then just up the back there we've just got a couple of my cases there. I think these are mostly the Nissans in them, but just a couple other random things just to fill up the spot. Just many different brands. So just the 510s. The wagons. The others are just with the other lot packed away. And then we've got a couple of Ferraris up here. Not something I sort of ran out to get. It was just they come up that cheap that it was like, well, might as well. Like this one here was brand new, still in the box, $5 at the op shop. So I had to grab that. Up the back, we've just got an M2 up there with the Willies, the tray truck. Then we've got the caddy, the Rat Fink caddy, and then I think it's a 49 caddy there. They need a dusting. And then here I've got random me knife. That was my great grandfather's knife. It was found out the manufacturer of it, and still in its original case. The the manufacturer there. Works out to be, I think it was around the 1860, roughly 1860, 1870 that it was made. So, yeah. So yeah, and it's an original pouch. So that was my great grandfather's knife, so I'll definitely be keeping that safe. And a couple of Vipers. I think every collector just has Vipers for whatever reason, I don't know, but we just have them. Like, they're a cool car, but I probably wouldn't own one in real life, so. And a Jag. And then a Barracuda. And up here we have Lancia Delta. Got two of them. An 8V and a 16. And then a 143 scale. Love the Lancia. And just some Bigfoot stuff. It's all 164. And then a couple of Boondock Saints characters. Love the movie, love the movie. Be good if they made a Rocco too, but they don't. And I've got 118 scale Mini and the 112 scale. I still as yet haven't taken one of the wheels off because I need a little spanner to do it. The plastic one that they provide you won't undo it because someone done the wheel nuts up too tight, so you can't get them off. So I've just left it. Not too important. It's just something I will do at some stage. Right, we have the 118 scale Toyota Land Cruiser 60 series. Very nice. It's from Kyosho. Very well detailed. As you'd expect from Kyosho. I do want to get the modified one with the all the ARB gear on it, roof rack and bull bar and everything like that. And then just me 124 scale FJ40s. I've got another two there that I've got to do a review on. I've got a light green and a black one. So I'll be doing that soon. And then a couple of 164 scale 40 series, and then some 60 series there as well on the 164. And this one was majorette. It's like a 150 scale, a 155 scale, 136 scale apparently. But yeah, got plenty of suspension on it. Doors open, and the wheel carrier here opens, but I don't play with it too much. I had one of these as a kid, and then I seen one of these brand new in the box at the second-hand place, and I just had to have it. So that reminds me of my childhood. Then up here I've just got some random 143 and 164 scale cars. Most of them are sort of V8 supercars. And a few other bits and pieces, the Calsonic there, a Holden panel van. Got plenty more of these again in storage. That VL Commodore there, that was a good deal. I paid $10 for it because the listing was wrong. And it's worth, well, I see them for sale for 200 and something now. But I'll never sell it. And just some loose ones. Another Datsun 510 Skyline. Again, another Skyline up there. Chickadee Commodore, driven by Alan Grice. I must get the 118 scale of that. If there's one car that I want in 118 of the V8 supercars, then that's it. It's the Chickadee Commodore. Okay, so that's just that's that one cabinet. I've got a couple of things up the top there. I got that the other day, so I've got to do a review on that one. Just a C5 Corvette. Nothing special, but I like the Corvettes. Just NASCAR, 98 Monte Carlo. The slightly modified. And just a PT Cruiser. Again, PT Cruiser was cheap enough to get. And then the Kodak, I remember this one. I've also got the 164 in there of it too. So that's that. Those cabinets. And we'll move on to this one here. So this has got most of my movie cars in it. So I've got the 18 van, again 1/18 scale. And then the other two vans I've got, the other Chevy vans. The Boogie van and the Hotbox. I must get the other vans. Terminator cars. And police cars. And the figures. I was looking at trying to find the Fat Boy, the Harley Fat Boy on a 1/18 scale, but I can't seem to sort of find it at the moment. But I will look for it. Joe Dirt. And Christine. I must get the other Christines to complete that collection. But again, it's time and the money. We'll get there eventually. And then just DeLoreans, Back to the Future. These are just 124s, some 164s in front. And then Sunstar 1/18. I do want to get the Hot Wheels Elite 1/18, which is on the list. So I'll just chuck those in there at the moment. But that will get resorted at some stage. And then up the top here, got some Pontiacs, GTOs. So 65. I think these were 67s, I think. They're all Hot Wheels, those three. I'd love the colours. The green's my favourite, light green. And then it'd be the blue and the orange. But yeah, they look great. And I've got a Mark Scaife Commodore, VT Commodore. Again, that was another bargain that I couldn't pass up. That was cash converters. $50 I had it listed for. Brand new, in the box. So, yeah, I had to grab it. And GQ Patrol. Just the Hot Wheels ones, 164. And then my Nissan Patrol G60s. I've got another cream coloured one to do a review on. And then the Y62 and the 164 scale. Again, I'm looking at getting the 1/18 scale GQ and the Y62. Oh no, GU, that's it, not Y62. Although I think they do have one. Anyway, some Fast and Furious. So 124s, 164s. This is a small part of them. I do have two full boxes of 164. No, not 164. What am I saying? Fast and Furious. It's one of those things you start collecting and where do you stop? I don't know. I think I've stopped at the moment. Although in saying that, I've been looking at the 1/18 recently, trying to get some more 1/18s. But I think the rest of it, I'll stop. I know they've brought out another Nano, which I'll probably get that one. I've still got to get the train line one. The train crossing. Again, that was another cash converters deal, $20 in the box, brand new. I think it's selling for like $100 or $150 or some bloody thing at the moment. But anyway, again, won't be sold. And now onto the trucks. We've got the 124 scale Volvo. A couple of random Hot Wheels up the top here. And then the, what are they? Iconic replicas, I think. Could be wrong. 164 scale B-double. Or road train, I should say. And the Peterbilt from Jewel. Knight Rider, 164, the GMC General. And then me Fords. Got 3 of them. I must collect the others. I think there's another 6. Was it like at least another 4 that I know of, 4 colours that I know of. I want to get them all. Kind of addicted to the LTL. I think they're just an awesome truck. And then we've got the Mac over the back from Convoy. That's a 143 scale from IXO. Definitely looking forward to getting the 118 scale from Road Kings coming out soon. So I've got my eye on one of those. And then we've got the cream coloured Scania 124 scale with the container trailer. And then Blazer. I think it was Acme again. Awesome details on that. I love that one. And then the Land Rover Discovery. I did have one of those in real life, and look, I like the seating position. I like the way they drove. I just didn't like the mechanicals or the electricals in it. So basically, if I could take the body and build my own car, then that would be good. But anyway, got one of those. They're hard to get, actually. Very hard. Or, well, they're hard. It's more just expensive. I've had people asking to buy that one off me. But no, I won't sell it. And then back to the movie cars. We've got the Tomb Raider Land Rover. And then recent one I've done was Cliff's US mail van. I think that's pretty cool, that van. And then we've got some John Wick cars here. We're there and there and there. I've still got, was it 2? I think it was 2 more to get, I think. The Charger and the Taxi. And then we've just got a random Mercedes-Benz here. And here we have the red Scania 124 scale from Solido. The truck videos seem to do pretty good on the channel, so I'm grateful that you guys like that. So we'll get more trucks in. As I said, I'm waiting to get the 118 scale Mac from Convoy from Road Kings. That will be good. And then just 18 164. And then just a Dodge, 118 Dodge. Back to movie car. We've got Dukes of Hazzard. The Dodge Monaco. Done a really good job with this one. Again, these are hard to get now. Again, another bargain for me, $50. Now you're looking around about $500 or something. But again, I won't get rid of it. I've been, last night I was actually looking at trying to get the General E, but yeah, they're getting up there in price. And Dazed and Confused, another movie I like. It's the Firebird. And just some random movie cars. A couple of tumblers. Out of all the Batmobiles, probably the Tumbler's probably my favourite. Reason why, because it ran the not boggers, the Super Swampers on the back. Yep, I thought that was cool. Me being into four-wheel driving, that was a plus for me. And then we just got the Simpsons car. I do have lots more movie cars in 164. Again, all packed away. Mad Max. XB Falcon, and American Graffiti. We've got the 32. I used to own the Merc from Ferraris, but yeah, that's gone now, and I've been trying to get another one. Animal House, the Corvette from Animal House is a 164 diorama. So that sort of rounds up that cabinet. And over in the next cabinet here, which I just got and I've just filled, this is just all my 1/24 scale cars. This is high on the list of favourites. If anyone remembers So Real Concepts, they done 1/24 scale square bodies and a couple of other Chevys. So unfortunately they're not around anymore, but they were fairly well highly detailed, and again they all ran super swampers for tyres. So that was a big thing on my list when I got that one back in 2000 something. It was just as they were closing, and they were selling off some things cheap. But I got that one, and then I sort of ran out of money, and I couldn't get the rest of them. And now they're worth a fair bit when you can find them. One stage, at some stage I will get another one. I'm just waiting to get one at the right price. And then we've got a 53, I think that is, Chevy. Correct me if I'm wrong. It'll be underneath it, but I couldn't be bothered lifting it up and have a look. We've got a 55 Chevy. Then we've got a 57. And then another 57, that was an M2. And another 57. 57 Corvette. 2017, I think. US Army Chevy. Square body. Funny car. Couple of Holdens. Monaros. 1/24 scale. And then a Merc. This one was from Hot Wheels. This was like a 2-pack. It had the 1/64 scale with it. I've only got the 1/24, but trying to get that open. Very highly detailed. It's even mirrored under the bonnet there. Nice custom and very heavy. Everything is die cast, apart from like the exhaust and a motor and that, but the whole chassis, body, everything. So this was number 26. It was 2600. I don't know how many total, but that one's plated 2600. Very nice car, very heavy. Yet to get the 1/64 of it. And then another Merc. And next shelf down, we've got some Nissans, some Silvias. Another Nissan Datsun 510. It's M2, and another M2 there. Then we've got a Skyline R34. Then we've got a couple of Mustangs. We've got 3 Mustangs. And then a 40 Ute there. And down the bottom here, got a Challenger. GDO. Judge, AC Cobra, And these are, this is a bank, a little coin bank, which guys in America would be familiar with. So you put your coin in the back there, and you've got your little key. So same as this one here. So they're pretty cool. Not actually 124, they're a little bit smaller. We've got a Porsche. And then a Ferrari. A couple of Lamborghinis and an Audi. I'm not too much into the, supercars. More of sort of a hot rod, American sort of vehicle, Japanese type stuff. Some of the classic supercars are pretty cool. So that's that. That's my cabinets. That's what I have out on display at the moment. And as far as the rest of them are concerned, like these are all just 164s on this this rack here that I made. I've got just over 2,000 cars all stacked in here in the cases. So just different things. All many different brands. So at the moment that's sort of where they sit. So it's all full. And yeah, other than that, just everything's in boxes. I've got another room full of boxes. So there's I think there's around about 3,000, I think, 164 scales, and then I've got your 143s and a couple other different scales. So at the moment I've sort of got nowhere to put these, so that's where they're just sitting until I can sort something out. So that's that. If it was my house, great, no worries. I'd stick things all down this hallway here, and not a problem. Be able to display all the 164s on the walls. I'll do that. It's not a problem, but not my house. Can't go doing that. So I can only deal with the space that I've got, and that's it. So we'll work it out. But either way, plenty more videos coming, and yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah, if you want, check out my other videos, and please like, comment, subscribe. All right, catch us all later. See ya.